Welcome to Business Era. Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 work schedule and ready to start your own business? Look no further than digital product affiliate marketing. This industry has exploded in recent years, with more and more people turning to online platforms to make money from the comfort of their own homes. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience or a large investment to get started. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of how to start your own digital product affiliate marketing business. From researching and choosing a niche, to finding and joining affiliate programs, to creating valuable content and building an audience, we'll show you everything you need to know to start making money online. So, whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking for a way out of the rat race, digital product affiliate marketing is a great option for you. Sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the secrets to starting your own successful digital product affiliate marketing business. Number 1. Research and choose a niche. The first step to starting a digital product affiliate marketing business is to research and choose a niche. A niche is a specific market or topic that you will focus on. One example of a lucrative niche in the digital product space is online courses affiliate marketing. When researching the affiliate marketing niche, it's important to consider the competition, the size of the market, and the potential for profitability. One way to research the affiliate marketing niche is to start by looking into popular websites and blogs that discuss affiliate marketing and see what kind of content they are producing and what topics are generating the most engagement. Choosing a niche is the foundation of your affiliate marketing business. It's important to take time and do the research to find a niche that aligns with your interest, has potential for profitability, and has a variety of digital affiliate products to promote. Number 2. Find and join affiliate programs. Once you have chosen a niche for your digital product affiliate marketing business, the next step is to find and join affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are essentially partnerships between businesses and individuals where the individual, known as the affiliate, promotes the business's products and earns a commission for any sales made through their unique referral link. There are many affiliate programs available for digital products, including online courses, ebooks, and software. Some popular affiliate programs for digital products include ClickBank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, and Flex Offers. Take a look at the example of how to join the ClickBank as a digital product affiliate. Go to clickbank.com and click on Start here in the top menu. Next, fill out the registration form with your personal and payment information and submit it. After submitting the form, you'll receive an email confirming your account has been approved. It may take a day or two for the approval process to complete. So, finding and joining affiliate programs is the most important step in starting a digital product affiliate marketing business. Number 3. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is a crucial step in starting a digital product affiliate marketing business. This content should be relevant to your niche and include affiliate links to the products you are promoting. By creating valuable content, you establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with your audience. When creating content, it is important to focus on providing value to your audience. This can include providing tips, tutorials, reviews, and other useful information related to your niche. By providing value, your audience is more likely to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. To reach a wider audience, it's a good idea to create a variety of different types of content, such as blog posts, videos, social media posts, and more. This allows you to appeal to different types of learners and reach people on different platforms. Take a look at the example of how create content using Canva as a digital product affiliate. First, go to canva.com and create a free account. This will allow you to access all of Canva's features and templates. Once you're logged in, you can choose from a wide range of templates or start creating your design from scratch. Canva offers templates for social media posts, brochures, flyers, and more. Customize the template or design with your own images and text. When you're finished, download your design and share it on your website, social media, or through email marketing. Number 4. Build an audience. After creating valuable content, the next step in starting a digital product affiliate marketing business is to build an audience. Building an audience is important because it allows you to reach more people and promote your affiliate products to a larger group of potential customers. There are many ways to build an audience, and it's important to use a combination of different platforms to reach the widest audience possible. Some popular platforms for building an audience include social media, forums, and email. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are great places to share your content and engage with your audience. Use these platforms to share your blog posts, videos, and other content and to interact with your followers. You can also use social media to run paid advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience. Recently, TikTok has become a great tool to promote your content and attract a younger audience. You can create short videos to showcase your products and affiliate links and use trending hashtags to reach a wider audience. The algorithm of TikTok also helps you to reach the right audience. So, building an audience is essential for the success of a digital product affiliate marketing business. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on affiliate marketing. Number 5. Use tracking links. The fifth step in starting a digital product affiliate marketing business is to use tracking links. Tracking links allow you to see which products are performing well and which ones are not, so you can make informed decisions about which products to promote and how to optimize your content. Tracking links are unique links that you use to track the performance of your affiliate links. These links can be generated using a link management tool like Pretty Links or Thirsty Affiliates, or through the affiliate program itself. Take a look at the example of how to use Thirsty Affiliates to track your affiliate links. First, if you are using a WordPress website, install the Thirsty Affiliates plugin. This will allow you to create and manage affiliate links directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once the plugin is installed, navigate to the Thirsty Affiliates section of your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Here you can create a new link and add your affiliate URL. Customize the link with a custom name and enable link cloaking if you want to hide the original affiliate link from visitors. This can be useful if you want to keep your affiliate links looking clean and professional. You can also use tracking links to track the performance of your content. For example, you can see which blog posts or videos are generating the most clicks on your affiliate links. This information can help you to optimize your content and make it more effective at generating sales. Number 6. Optimize your content. Once you have used tracking links to track the performance of your affiliate links, the next step in starting a digital product affiliate marketing business is to optimize your content. Optimizing your content will help increase visibility and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your content to make it more visible in search engine results. This includes using relevant keywords in your content, optimizing your images and videos, and creating high-quality backlinks. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can increase visibility and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Social media optimization is another important aspect of optimizing your content. Make sure your content is shareable on social media by including share buttons on your website, creating shareable graphics, and encouraging your audience to share your content. You can also use paid advertising to increase visibility and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Platforms like Google AdWords, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads can help you target specific audiences and increase visibility for your content and affiliate links. Number 7. Test and analyze. As you continue to build your digital product affiliate marketing business, it's important to continuously test and analyze the performance of your affiliate links and content. Testing and analyzing allows you to gather data and make informed decisions about which products to promote and how to optimize your content. To test and analyze the performance of your affiliate links, use the data from your tracking links to see which products are generating the most sales. This information can help you to decide which products to promote more heavily and which ones to stop promoting. Once you have gathered data from your tests and analyses, use it to make informed decisions about how to optimize your content. For example, if you find that a certain type of content is generating the most clicks on your affiliate links, focus on creating more of that type of content. It's also important to analyze the performance of your campaigns on different platforms. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and other tools to see how your content is performing on different platforms. Number 8. Never stop learning. It's important to never stop learning about affiliate marketing and stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. The affiliate marketing industry is constantly evolving, and new technology, platforms, and strategies are always emerging. To stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies, you can read industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online forums and communities. Following influencers and experts in the industry on social media can also be a great way to stay informed. You can also take online courses or attend workshops and conferences to learn more about affiliate marketing and gain new skills. Some popular online courses include affiliate marketing courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. It's also important to keep testing and experimenting with new strategies and tactics to see what works best for you and your audience. As you learn more about affiliate marketing, you'll be able to make more informed decisions about which products to promote and how to optimize your content. A digital product affiliate marketing business can be a great way to earn money online while working from home. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can be on your way to success. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and don't give up. Keep learning and experimenting to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies, and you'll be on your way to success. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.